Hello viewers, what's up? I think you are all getting so well. Today I will describe you how to you income from online with Adsterra and the Blogspot. So let's move on to the mobile screen. So viewers, in the next part I will show you how to create an Adsterra account for earnings. So Adsterra basically a ad advertisement ad. So let's see. I'm going to the Google Chrome. Here's the Adsterra. I will write here Adsterra. Okay. Uh, Here's the Adsterra. Okay, I'm going to clicking here. So here is one option is login where we should sign up. So I'm going to sign up here. Sign up here as a publisher, and I will monetize my website Blogspot from here. Okay. Okay. Here is seeking my name. My name is Partho. Email. Partho Shubo 0819@gmail.com. Okay, then continue. Email already has been accessed, that's why I will change another email. List of your here's login name, Partho 0201, password and WhatsApp messenger account. Here is my messenger account, WhatsApp account number. I think I will go for it. Web money, and web money account is here. You should have to create first web money account. Here's also my web money account. Here's you can see web money. Okay, close. And here's my web money account. I have just have copied. Okay. List of my blogspot name. So here's my blogspot here. I should take the I'm viewing the blog, and here's the blogspot name. One line. Okay, I think I have done. So now you can, here's I given password, my login name, WhatsApp messenger, and preferred paper system, web money, and I just have paste my web money account number, and here is my website link. Okay, complete the registration. I think I have completed my registration.